Hey guys, today I want to show you how to remove a print head on an Officejet Pro 6830 printer. It seems like it's very impossible to get to it, but it really is possible. So what we first need to do while the printer is on, we're going to remove all the ink cartridges, and we're going to unplug the printer from the back. So we got the ink cartridges out. We'll pull the cord in the back here, turn the printer off, and now we're ready to go. We're going to need a T10 Torx screw size 10 screwdriver tip for this, and the screws are all around here. First we're going to open this up a little bit more. To do so, we're going to just close this here. We're going to put a screwdriver into this area. Don't want to damage it too much, but there we go. That releases this latch here and lets you open the printer. So I've removed some of the screws here, but it's pretty simple. The screws are all around here. There's 1, 2, 3. There's 2 in here. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws in there. You're gonna remove this cover too. And it's approximately 10 that need to be removed, and I've done it just so we don't waste time on this. I'm gonna remove the cover, and it removes with the screen, so that cover just pulls up. You want to be careful with the cord that's connected to the screen here. You can disconnect it, or you can just leave it like this here, just while you work on the print head. This is where our print head is. We're going to use, first we're going to disconnect the timing strip. It's right here. Just going to pull it right and pull it up. Then I'm going to grab with pliers this spring right here. Just going to pull it back. Oops. I want to be careful. There we go. Remove this spring. We're going to do the same thing to this side. There we go. Okay, and now we have this. We can remove the timing strip. Just remember that it needs to go here, and the arrow is going to be on this side, and the dot without the arrow on the left side. So we can just pull it out from here like that. And there's some wiring in the back that needs to be disconnected. So 2 wider wires and 2 smaller ones, and you have the print head out of the printer. So if you need to clean it, or if you're replacing, because this, for example, this one looks very good, but it is just bad. It's either short-circuited or it's just gone. So I need to replace that one. But I'll show you with this one how to put it back together. So these here, we're going to make sure the golden contacts are towards the golden contacts here on the print head, and these go in the order that they are in the back here. So just make sure you're connecting it correctly when you put the new one in. So it goes like this here. It's a bit hard to miss that. And then we're going to put it into the slot here, and we're going to connect the last wire. Let's get it out first. So it goes in here. It's a bit hard. You can always use tweezers to help with that. Okay, so check all the wiring, that make sure it's all connected now. Now we're gonna put the springs back. So the circle goes on this side, and there we go. That connected. I recommend using like the needle nose pliers for that. So, but we got the print head back in. Don't forget about the timing strip. It's also a good idea to just go ahead and clean it. So you can just use water to clean it, because alcohol can ruin it. Water or just window cleaner, no harsh chemical or anything like that. So got some water on there. Timing strip, it'll just help. So kind of like that. And you can see that it cleaned off some. So the arrow is pointing towards you. And let's see here, let's feed it through the slot over here. And it goes into that sensor right there that's attached to the print head. Oops. Okay. First we're going to connect the left side. That's where the spring is. And we'll stretch it and connect it to the right side. We got that. So our print head is back in place. What we need to do now is just put everything back together. Make sure this cord didn't disconnect for the screen, the wiring. Feed it through here. Put it down. Like that. And we're going to put the screws back in. So all around 10 screws they go in. Don't forget this cover goes back in place. Then let's latch the right side in, and we got the print head installed back into the printer. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.